Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. And today I've got another background that I've already done. And as you can see, I just took a bunch of blues and greens and smeared them all over, and then kind of wanted to paint this rounded effect because I seen something on Pinterest, and this is kind of like Tisha Moore inspired. I'm constantly looking at her work and really enjoy it. So we will attempt to do something here. And love all the colors. And kind of like, colors from the Dine Reevely. Bunch of dark blues and greens. And I think that's where I got my inspiration for my colors. And as usual, I'm cutting out jewelry. And don't know yet how I'm going to do all this right here. Guess I'll have to leave this in here. Kind of this all went together somehow. And here was just a candle that I really liked. Like the pattern. And you know, in Tisha Moore, a lot of her stuff has a lot of pattern. And here's 3 birds that came out of the Dine Reevely book. Let's see if I can go ahead and kind of figure out how's this going. Guess I have to put my little bird up a little higher. I think I like it like that so you don't see too much of the outline where, you know, it was on the edge of the page. And let's see. It's the only thing about putting everything behind things, in front of things, and I think I want that little piece there in front of it. Whoops. Got too much glue on my finger. Want that behind, but this in front. Okay, I think we can glue that down. And I'm always using jewelry. That's no big shock. I just like how the greens and blues and golds all work together. Okay. think I might be safe to put this over here. Can't remember if this was part of a chair or something to that effect. This was also out of that Diane Reevely book. And some more leaves. I think it'll go right up here. And I'm thinking this may have went next. Guess I'm trying to cover up that little bit of end right here. And can't remember if I wanted, I think I want the bird's feathers on top. This here was, I guess, a page with a bunch of, I don't know, remember if this was jewelry or something to that effect. And let's see, before I put that down, I have a little piece over here that I probably come off of the bird page. It's kind of stiff, so I don't know how it's going to go across the middle. Guess wait till it's all glued down, then try to bend my page. And part of a plate. And then I was kind of struggling with these two pieces of, I kind of like the lantern over here, but I also wanted this statue in the middle. Guess we'll move this up a little bit. I think we'll do it this way. I've went back and forth so many times. Okay. And like I always do, I like how things touch other things. Just like good composition. And got this little picture out of the apothecary book. Just like the pop of color. I'm finding myself in these pictures, you know, cutting closely around them, not just using them as stickers. And I guess we'll just put him right here. And also this little picture here was some jewelry. But it's like I just went through the magazine and kindly pulled out everything that was gold. I thought it would really pop against this. And let me dry this off for a minute. Okay, and then I'm going to try to put some writing on here and see how that goes. And let's see, birds. I'll just have to put in my little flares and whatnot as we go. Let's see. No, we're just going to try to make it fit best we know how. See, birds. Hope I don't get too distracted. Of a I don't think I've ever done this an A too good. Let's see. And that's why I mainly buy those Dine Readly letters, but you can't always use those. Okay, and then I want to put feather. Somehow feather. Let's see, let's widen this. Let's see. And put A again. Might leave that like that instead of coloring it in. I think I need to make this a little more darker. And just bear with me. Let's see. And feel like it's running out of ink. Let's see. I was wanting it to really go up there a lot further. I'm almost afraid to keep pumping this little marker, because then you'll get one fat blob out of it. Well, there's nothing wrong with this one for sure. So let's go back and color this one in. Feather. Let's see. Guess we'll go ahead and use the fat one. Birds of the feather flock together. Debating on whether I was wanting to put a capital E or little e. I think I did that one backwards. Sure did. CH. Okay, I think I want to maybe go around that with my number 10 Jelly Roll pen. I hope that's completely dry. Probably get all over the back of my hand. Let's see. Let's just see how this goes. I don't know how much I want to. Bring some of you down here so you can see. Notice sometimes when I use this Jelly Roll, it can kind of come and go too. I guess it all depends on whatever you're writing over. I guess you won't see it too much over the yellow. Might have to put some other something around the yellow parts. It's kind of making it pop. Down here it should really pop. know how Tisha Moore is always writing something. Pops much better against the darker colors, of course. I do have this white Posca marker. We'll just try it out. Sometimes it takes a while before it starts. Kind of afraid to I think the pen was doing better. It's much brighter. Much brighter. Guess I just need to thicken it up as I go. Okay guys, and I'll do the rest of this off camera so I won't bore you all, and I'll be right back. Okay guys, and I'm just adding some dots to maybe just something else to pop against the page. And I put that butterfly, this one, and this one, and they were kindly on the difficult side. They were in the beginning, and I've not had them out in the sun or anything. They've been in that book, but they are still, even though I keep bending the tip back and forth, they still want to be kind of difficult to get apart from one another. Let's see if I can put maybe some white dots in here that might pop a little better against the dark blue background. I think I might put a few down here. See, maybe a few black dots over here with the bigger Posca marker. I think, like in one of those books I read, you can never have too many polka dots. I totally agree. lay that down. Trying not to smear. Good thing it wasn't my hand, but it did lift it. Comes from being too impatient. Put a little more over here. I guess I can finish up maybe going around the edges with something, but I am really liking how it turned out. Okay guys, and that wraps it up for me today. And if you could, give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And as always, see you tomorrow.